in this ukulele Halloween play along, sing along, jam along. This is one of the classic Halloween songs of all time. But wait till you see. You got to wait till you actually get to the play along part. Wait till you see who I got to join me in this video. This one is the Monster Mash. Welcome to Uke Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and we're going to cut loose a little bit. You know, why not? Let's have a little fun. It's Halloween. It's my birthday month. My birthday is very close to Halloween, so I've always had a special connection with Halloween. So we're going to do some Halloween songs, and this one is going to be Monster Mash. All right, so it's cool. But anyways, first of all, I'll show you the chorus here in a second, and we're going to play with the killer backing track. Killer backing track. By the way, if you want the backing track, that's available to all my patrons. Patreon.com/ukelikethepros. And if you just want the lyrics and the chords, no problem. I got you covered. Put a link to that below. You can go get that totally for free. But if you haven't done so, if you're watching this video like, who is this guy? What's going on here? That's cool. That's all right. But if you dig ukulele tutorials, reviews, challenges, giveaways, this is the channel. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And then if you like anything I do here, having fun, you're enjoying yourself, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, and share this video. All right, I'm playing Arisa here, okay? So I decided to pull out this butterscotch telly. How cool is this? How cool is this? So anyway, and I got a few effects down here as well. But if you like this, or you need anything else for your ukulele needs, we have over 20 brands of ukuleles alone at the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let me play for you how simple this is. Then I'll show you the chords, and then we're going to do the play along, sing along, jam along with the backing track here in a minute. All right, that's it. That's all you need. 4 simple chords. Yeah, I have a little effect, a little delay, a little chorus here, but just G, E minor. Now, I'm doing the bar chord C. If you want to do a regular, that's fine, C. And then I'm just sliding up to D, doing this bar chord. If you want to do D down here, that's fine as well. But that's it. So it's G, E minor, C, and D. And then the rhythm is really cool. It's like this. It's a 2-bar rhythm, okay? That's all it is. Down, down, up, mute. Next chord. Boom, just like that. Now, when we get to the little bridge part, it only happens one time. Just gonna go to C, D, C, Dracula and his son. Yeah, and I put a little distortion on for that. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Don't forget, if you want that sheet music, that link's below. Or if you want this backing track, which we're about to play right now, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. Come on, get your uke out, get in a good mood, have some fun with this one. This one is the Monster Mash. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was working in the lab late one night with my eyes beheld the nearest sight. For my monster from the slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash.
He did the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in the flash.
He did the mash.
He did the Monster Mash. From my laboratory in the castle feast to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all come from their humble abode. They get the jokes from my electrode.
He did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
We caught on in the flash.
He did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash. The zombies were having fun. The party has just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene were digging the sound. Eager on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Cricky
They
Combined.
did the mash,
They played the Monster
the
Mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
played the mash,
Oh, it caught on in a flash.
they played the mash.
They played the Monster Mash. Out of his coffin track, voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened up the lid, shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania
It's
twist?
now the mash,
It's now the Monster
the
Mash,
monster mash.
and it's a graveyard smash.
It's now the mash,
Oh, it's caught on in a flash.
it's now the mash.
It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's cool. Drax a part of the band. In my Monster Mash is a hit of the land. For you, the living, this match was meant to. When you get to the door, tell them Terry sent you.
You can mash,
And then you can Monster
the
Mash
monster mash.
and do my graveyard
You
smash.
can mash,
Oh, it caught on in a flash.
then you can mash.
Then you can Monster Mash.
Whoa,
Monster Mash.
whoa,
Monster Mash. Monster Mash. Monster Mash. Give it up. Give it up to the one and only Katie from One Music School joining me on this, just killing, absolutely crushing those background vocals. I'm so thankful that she decided to join me on this track. I know you loved it, right? Leave a comment below. And I also want to give a shout out to Mari for just, the editing. How killer was all the video editing, especially when Katie and I were playing, jamming, singing of that going on. So great job on that as well. If you want that lyrics, the chords, we're giving that for free. Right? That link is below. But if you want the backing track, which was killer, if you want that backing track, we're going to make that available to all our patrons over at patreon.com/ukelikethepros. What did you think? What did you think of the Risa? If you like these Risas or you need anything else, any other ukuleles, over 20 brands, the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Make sure to check it out. And if you just want to get better, maybe you like my style, you like the energy, you like the things I do, you like the way I play the ukulele, ukelikethepros.com. Over 20 courses, fantastic premium membership. We got members all over the world. That's the Uke Like the Pros Nation. Make sure to get on over there and check that out. So, all right, that's going to do it. Very thankful for you. Very thankful for Katie for joining me on this track. I appreciate all the support. Subscribing to the channel, leaving comments, sharing this video, all the stuff that you do to allow me to do what I do. So thanks for that. I hope you enjoyed this version of Monster Mash, and we'll see you next time.